Give so much
OLT.
the fuck up Tari. All of you haters. एक दिन क्या मैंने काम कर लिया मेरे सिर पे चढ़ गए हो तुम लोग. I should be the only one you care about, Tari. If that's not the case, something
care
wrong.
about Preeta, and most of my days end with just Preeta.
Yeah.
Fuck
Here, here and not any other way.
Hey guys, welcome back to Bye Bitches vlog. We are here at Belgian Waffles, OLT. And my friend, I think the t-shirt was like 49 dirhams. So it's also from Dubai.
And it's mine, priceless.
Would you like to explain the vlog? We are watching Thomas. I want it. So our exams got over, and that's Tareen. She's wearing her iconic blue skirt from
This
first.
is-
Oh yeah.
Second sem skirt, I bought it in Manipal with 2 shorts, so I started feeling shy, so I never wore it again.
But we are shameless now.
Yeah, this is the last week.
This is last week.
This is last week.
Yeah,
OLT. OLT shamelessness.
The fit check. Ooh, and the shoes, man. The shoes, man. The skirt. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, and this is the first top I ever wore to a club in Manipal when my
course.
parents are still here.
Halal. Anyway, we are both going to different outings, but you're same venue actually.
Same venue.
Yeah, like the same place. Hashtag back
Back
this
is-
time. I mean, we can drop locations now because we are leaving Manipal anyway. So what are the stalkers going to do? That's dangerous to say. Okay, so I'm going out on a dinner anyway with like 2 of my friends, and the good thing is, like, I'm really excited about it. Like, yeah, my outfit is kind of fine. Like, it's not bad. I'm loving it, but like, it's not something that I've good, right? Like, it's a basic H&M top, H&M jeans situation. But I got like the Pink Friday Nika sale. You know that. Obviously, you know that. So my order got delivered today, and the things are great. Well, I was thinking that I want to kind of like save my good lip combos for when I'm going out for the girls' night, because obviously you have to look better with the girls. Like, Tareen had a very good point, because since we have like only like a week left here, we should make the best out of it and look our best every time we go out. So yeah, I am going to wear my brand new lip combo. Let's see how it looks. Guys, how are we feeling? We are going for a OLT Bacchus dinner. You guys look so excited. We are going to Bacchus, and I'm definitely not dragging them forcefully, right?
चल सुन एक ओ याद ऐसे वो धोती पहन के जाता है हाय चलो ओके 3 2 1 गो
I want you right now. Just to Canal, I tried to take a shot of Old Monk at Edge, and I failed, by the way. Almost puked in the washroom of Edge right now. But I didn't puke, by the way. I didn't puke, I just washed my face. So didn't take a complete L, but I could not take a shot. I'm weak, officially old, officially a senior citizen. I can't do this. What are your opinions of the girls' night? They are so lame. Do you hate me, this man? What? No. They hate me. I hate them. Never doing girls' night with them. I'm not doing girls' night again.
I said, Romeo.
start to the vlog.
आपको जिम में जाना है तो जिम मिलेगा, जिनर मिलेगा.
Vagisha, you remember the first vlog of third sem?
Oh yeah, I was
After
cooking.
the
I was
NSEM,
cooking again.
yes, an NSEM party. Whoa. NSEM party, I was at your house.
Yeah, and some party. No, you all came to meet Ashika. I think all of my 3 houses have been in your vlog. One,
Yes,
the one vlog.
the one vlog, yes, everything. Shami Sovereign. I long to be around.
I'm so hyped. You know, I'll be better clothes upstairs. Bye.
What if this is the last time you're in my vlog?
What do you mean? Oh my God. It can be, it cannot be. If it's my last time in Bye Beaches vlog,
Yeah.
I would like to end it by stop looking at my clothes. My eyes are up here. My eyes are up here. If this is my last time in your vlog, I want to say what a wonderful, great time we have had since first time.
Hey man, we are at Bye Beaches vlog.
How do you say hey even before I started camera? You just knew. What
I
was
just
going
knew.
on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna miss Andrew because look at me like raw dogging.
You and raw dogging. Shut the fuck up.
No, I'm just having.
Guys, you don't know the context of this, and trust me, you don't want to know.
Wow, that sounds so wrong. There's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong about raw dogging.
I came from 6th floor to 3rd floor to my house without wearing any shoes, by the way, because I left anxiety.
A lift exists, that's great.
Yeah.
I love you, Otis. Otis elevator? Who's this? Cone, I love you, Cone, my man. Why did I assume it was a man? A woman. Cone, Mrs. Cone, I love you.
Oh, you know Alicia G. Otis is the founder of Otis, by the way. She's a woman.
She's a woman.
She didn't want to go. She was very. He said no one can record me without my consent.
मैं माल प्रैक्टिस डाल दूंगा अभी जाऊंगा.
Is this gonna be on the vlog?
The time is 4:43 a.m.
And we are not going to Blue Tapri, by the way,
That is so not on brand, but
because we don't have a scooty to go to, and we are.
that's the
lazy.
issue. If we had
Yeah.
transportation,
Yeah.
we would.
Yeah. You can't just blame me. She's not using Instagram.
I've turned this side, which means I'm pissed.
Shut up.
I'm
No,
not with
she literally asked me the only way I can see your stories right now is that, like, if you show it to me. So I showed her my phone. I'm showing her my stories. And then she's like, I'm not letting her see. How the fuck is that fair?
No, I asked for one story. You made me watch 7 stories. And your memory from 2023. That's not what I asked for.
Get out of my house. Get out of the shots.
Bro, मेरे को हर बार चड्डी उतार रहे हो. Every month, you just want me to get naked. Just say that. Just say that.
Why else would I have you in my room, Devika?
Wait, I wasn't getting the hint so far. But today you've said it like 1700 times.
Not in Bye Beaches vlog. I think this is OLT sleepover. OLT waking up. OLT bye.
Okay. That was.
Day 2 of vlogging.
We still have an exam left, by the way.
Which I keep forgetting about, bro.
Hey guys, our final exam that Tareen and I told you in the last clip is also over. And I am here on a date. Yeah. With Aditi. Should be grateful that I present such a beautiful image of you to the world. Of course. Of course. Look at her. And that's our corn croquettes. That's affogato. And my food isn't here yet. That's so lame.
That day, okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to Bacchus. You're gonna sponsor our gymlets.
Who? You?
You.
You are the one with the job.
We're gonna go club hopping.
Whoa.
Whoa, we're gonna go big shot.
365 party girls.
You're
Yeah. We are already tired. We're already
enter. Hey.
Yeah. Do you want to say hi to the Bye Beaches vlog?
Can Bye Beaches vlog wait for me to fix my hair?
Waiting for Diya Ananteshwaram
For DA to fix her hair.
for her. Yeah, she's fixing her hair.
I'm DA the goat.
Yeah.
The goat.
Exactly.
The goat.
Like,
The goat.
like, share, subscribe, by the way.
Liked.
Yeah.
Shared.
Wow.
Subscribed for life.
Oh. We are doing an OLT Manipal great club hopping in the rain experience.
इससे भीगी जाओ यार मैं पूरे के लिए
It's raining out of nowhere. I'm like really heavy. Tareen and I are going to do some shopping for party prep.
Party.
Yeah, and it's like really heavy rain. This is literally like first year all over again. What do you think? Are we making it back today?
I love it. It's kind of like I make you want to wear heels
Yeah.
and take them off.
Yeah.
And run with those in my hand like we did from Ecstasy.
I am not a fan of the rain. I am. No. Yeah. This weather makes you want to pee. That's all. There's nothing romantic about fucking fighting for your life, trying hard not to slip and break your phone. Break your phone. Shut up. Ah.
Cute.
Tareen broke a chashma yesterday. I broke mine today.
At Edge.
My chashma is fine for now.
You have a chashma? Yeah. That's a party popper and you're dusting
There's nothing left in it.
I made sure.
germs. To have some drinks.
Alright, chat.
Hey, wait, do you think I can do it with this?
Yes, you can.
Hey, remember that day Akshita was there on call and she was
Yeah.
rolling in the deep.
You'll be on my Bye Beaches vlog. How to subscribe?
You, bro, I forgot, but I went. Look, I opened it on fucking Instagram and then like it didn't directly open it in.
Subscribe tonight.
Done, big dog.
Devika, can you explain what you're doing right now? Yeah.
I'm giving away all your clothes that I took over while I was
No.
sleeping over with you.
No, these are not even mine. She just shut up. These are not mine. She-
So basically, Shatakshi borrowed this skirt from me in block 13 in like second year.
Yeah,
She
and-
wanted something white, like a white skirt.
Yeah.
And she was like, bro, where do you get that skirt from? It's so good. It fit me so well. I love the skirt. Yada yada. So I remembered that. And now that I'm going, I wanted to give her this because I think she'll rock it.
What's crunchy? Did I ever give you a scrunchie or are you just
Yeah,
giving?
you did. I stole it from your washroom, I think. Other clothes, Gharilu. I mean, not your clothes. Mr. Mishra's clothes, if I may. You didn't tell me I look like this. What the? Good morning, bye bitches. We are at Pi Tiffins OLT. And we are having cheese masala dosa with 2 strands of cheese. Molly, how's the dosa? Not diabetic enough.
Oh, you banana.
End of every day. Coffee. The dosa. The eater. Smack it up with delicious. Dirty. I'm vlogging for Bye Bitches. She has put me on duty. I don't get paid enough for this.
Goodbye, beaches.
अरे फिर मैंने ये बोला था बीचेस भी गए इसने बचपन में गुड बाय रखा था ठीक है मैंने उसको बोला था जब लास्ट टाइम वो बीच जाएगी दैट विल बी अ बाय बीचेस थिंग फॉर हर
My genuine love.
So, what's called a photo album? Yeah, and he's making people sign on the photograph.
Anything you want.
Vismay Kumra is the first one to leave because he hates us a lot and he hates India a lot. So he's leaving first. Now
Hate India, that's extreme.
Okay, yeah.
I
of
still
course.
am.
Just because you like Virat Kohli does not mean. You're right. That's recorded. We are waiting for juice. Mosami juice. He's preparing for Dubai. What is this?
जूस पिला दो मौसम्बी का
No, it is Mosami actually.
You've been shit. You've been nice. Oh, the majestic served it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Let's tease after the net.
क्या करना क्या बोल
You want to say anything to the vlog?
Yeah. I want to say thank you
Yes.
to everyone. And one thing I learned from college, I want to say on serious note. It's not that deep. I want to thank my parents who could afford this place. Without them, I couldn't have come here. And I want to thank my professors who passed me
Arey yaar,
every
cut,
exam.
cut.
And most of all, I want to thank
गुरुजी गुरुजी की वजह से जो मैं आज हूँ मैं गुरुजी की वजह से
Okay.
गुड बाय बीचेस
Okay.
Yes, it's from Simba. Oh my god.
रोना नहीं है.
फोन करके लड़ाई कर लूंगी तुमसे जब मैं सारा दिन बात
तेरी मम्मी दे परांठे खा लूंगा.
दिन में 2 ताने तो मारने पड़े.
How do you feel about being back in Block 22?
My first semester of college.
Hey senior, B is so hard, bro.
BET, oh my god, BET, bro.
This is the common area where we used to sit. Unnati and I used to, we became friends here because we used to fill our water bottle like 7 times in a day.
This room, we've had sleepovers here.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Thank you so much. Community room, guys.
This is the room.
This is the room.
I'm Kareen, this is Charlie. This used to be a room first.
It was a video, but I will put it on our vlog.
मुझे तो वो real
मीट करना है जिन्हें जय की.
I can't believe you would say.
Our last Bacchus dinner for a while.
We will show them how much we ate. Feasted.
Show them how much we ate.
We ate.
This auto has leopard print.
This is my spirit animal. Ribbon. Fendi Dior, 10,000. Rolex, 20,000. Amethyst, no wait, pure obsidian, 50,000. Chain, right.
Duolingo!
Mama ने चड्डी में आइस डाल दी थी. The girl on the lake.
चड्डी में आई. मुझे लगी चड्डी थी.
What the fuck would I remember? 5 minutes ago, she's even again.
Shadaki sent it to me.
साक्षी मेरे को नहीं भेजा तूने?
क्या?
कौन सी कलर की
अब ये तो मैं लड़कों को क्यों भेजूंगी? Think you know everything about me.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
कौन सी कलर की चड्डी?
You know that indie girl and the white indie girl in the beginning.
I'm from
You think you know everything about me? You don't.
And then she died.
Welcome back to my channel.
Bye beaches. One last time.
For now.
For now.
For now.
You know what? You know what the hashtag is? Goodbye beaches. For now.
We came for our girls' lunch. This is Roshni.
I'm dressed for the female gaze.
And my female gaze is gazing at her. Gay. It's such a gay word.
I'm gonna miss Satakshi the most.
Yes.
And please subscribe to her YouTube channel because I've been there since the day I found out.
Ugly.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe, views बढ़ाओ
Yes.
ताकि मैं बोलूँ सबको कि I've been friends with her since day one.
Yeah,
I know her since day one.
Yeah. What are your feelings about? Make it vlog oriented. Address it to the vlog.
मतलब नहीं ये मैंने फेक नहीं हो सकता कुछ.
Fuck off. I'll delete every clip of you from my
मैं तो
channel.
बहुत पहले. Oh, last thing I want to say is like the last day of college. This is my last appearance in vlog for now in Manipal, and I'll still say I'm not interested.
Fuck
I'm
off.
not
Fuck
interested to be.
off. Fuck off. Oh, Abhay. Part of the vlog, Abhay. Act interested.
Goodbye beaches.
Rohan MFC is waiting over there.
On a Monday,
Yeah.
5 p.m., me, Vagisha and Satana were having a random
That's Vagisha
conversation
for you, yeah.
where Vagisha goes, oh, yesterday at the beach, I saw 2 bees fucking. So I decided to record this
Okay.
conversation
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
with their permission.
Yeah.
This is the middle of it.
Yeah.
Strength of their body that they're using their wings also. Wait, how do you know that they're having sex? I mean, we saw them having sex. I know how you mean. You saw its dick. You saw her vagina. Did you see the dick go in the vagina? Okay, maybe they were cuddling. Maybe this one is being hurting so the other one was carrying. Wait. What kind of motion was there for you to think that they're fucking flying?
She explained it.
Say something to the vlog. Bye beaches vlog.
I don't want to go. अंदर नहीं आओगे?
Yeah, you can't come down now.
One thing about college, guys, it's not that deep. Also, hashtag goodbye beaches.
Goodbye beaches.
That was, she made me say that. I was paid for it.
Yeah.
Gunpoint.
Bye.
Goodbye beaches.
अरे
Guys, I would actually ever throw her.
Bilochi is also saying bye to people.
If मैं ऐसा होना मैं चांद पे जाके सोया.
I know you haven't been here for a long time. She's our newest subscriber, but yeah.
Newest subscriber, and can I just say I could not be happier because I get to relive all 4 years of my experience with Shadakshi.
Yes. Okay, go home and watch all the 15
My
vlogs.
beaches.
Look right in your eyes. We're growing flabbergasted.
Lovely one. But she's practicing what people call eavesdropping, but visually.
How was the beach?
Loved it.
We said bye to the beaches.
Bye to.
She's always been like this, bro. Acts all fucking. Yeah. We're leaving Malabar. And this feels so weird to vlog for my own departure, bro. I'm used to
leaving. No, you're leaving. Where you're leaving?
How are you feeling I'm leaving today?
So happy.
Top of the world. How are you feeling? I'm leaving today. I can't take the camera. I'm too sad.
What up, gang?
How are you feeling today?
Man, I'm sad that I'm not feeling anything.
Yeah, right?
Bye.
They never recorded your ending clip. Like, I recorded everyone's.
Because I never end.
Exactly. We're gonna hang out again. Literally. Yeah. Yeah.